Hi, this is Monty, and I'm here now going to show you the features of our Observer app, which helps protect you, your family, your friends, your coworkers, and everybody else. So I hope you enjoy this screen capture video. It's really quite simple. Um, when you launch the app, as you can see it here, there isn't much. There's only three things you can do. You can click on the cog, you can click on the question mark, or you can click on the green dot. The cog gives you access to deeper features that are going to be covered on future videos about having structuring your activities, seeing past activities on your device, and debugging in case there's any error. There's the back button to always go back. Of course, the question mark takes you to our FAQs, privacy policy, and terms and conditions, and how you can contact us with your feedback. Again, we don't require any registration, no emails, no telephone numbers, no credit card details. Your privacy is protected. So here you are at your start screen, and all you do is you hit the big green button. And the first thing it does is it brings up a Google map to show the lat and longitude of where you are. The activity type is general because we haven't specified subfolders. It records the year, month, day, and time. And then it says, hey, select text, photo, video, or audio icons below to add observations to your activity. And that's it. So it's really simple. I think the best way to work with this app, since it now knows where you are, is to use the microphone icon and hit start and say, hey, this is where I am, and I'm doing a screen capture video for Observer today. And I just wanted to show that I'm actually working on this and where I'm at and how long I'm doing it. And it's really important. So there we go. And then you can type text. So if there's something, let's say you're working with somebody as an allied health professional and they have some specific meds, you can type what the meds are. And that allows you to make sure there's no errors in what you're doing. Photo is just that. It takes pictures, and I'll just take a picture of my screen for fun. Decides whether you want to use it or not, and I can tell it to use the photo, and then it allows me to record a video. So here I am, and I'm recording a video, so you can see that it works. And I'm going to use that video. Now, it will ask you before you use the microphone or the camera or any of those things whether you want to allow the application to use it, and we suggest you say yes. So then, after you've done all of this, you just hit the red button that says you want to complete it, and you say yes, and you're done. And there it is. It's all recorded. Now, there will be separate videos for iPhone and Android to show how you can get to these files that are on your local device, to share them, email them, SMS them, move them, do whatever. And under the cog, you'll see that there's past activities, and there's multiple ones here. This is the one that I just did at 8:42, and it says send it to Google Drive. And I'll have a separate video to show you how to send it to Google Drive and how that works. But there's all your information, so you can play it all back now. You can delete it, you can record it. And this is your safety net. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.